Hi, everyone. We have passed through tremendous crisis in our little school, and we are so grateful to the 70 people who donated to us to be able to complete our construction. The construction will take much longer than we want. It's much messier than we imagine, and it means that many things will be delayed. But we can be so happy right now that at least 25% of what needs to be done was done recently at my absence. Also at the absence of our staffer, Rosando. So we have the floor in the dark room completely ready, and in the hall near the bathroom is ready. We have the office, as you can see, that had some darkness on the floor, repaired completely. We have the student center repaired completely, and we're so excited. Even the stairs have been filed and repaired. You had to see how destroyed the floor was after the hot water damage. I couldn't believe how much hot water can damage. And look how brand new it is. So while we know that we are looking forward for more mess and more hardship, we're also looking for a solution that will make our place even better than it was before. In fact, we hope even much better. So sometimes we can make a lemonade out of lemon. And so that's what we're looking forward to do, and I couldn't be grateful enough, and my staff could not be grateful enough to you for the great help you all gave us, and also to the fact that we had insurance that was open to help us all they could, and yet more needs to be done, and it will be done. With the next few weeks, we'll have a new school. And thank you, first of all, for your help, and second of all, for your energy. Have a wonderful year. Blessings from Meir and the School for Self-Healing.